So welcome. This is the first video of my channel, and it's the first part of a series where I'll be making a meteorology balloon. So the first part is going to be about finding the gas to fill the balloon. Since it's not easy to find gases in Turkey, I'm going to make it myself. And the easiest gas I can obtain is hydrogen. And there are two ways to obtain it. First one is electrolysis, and the other one is using this right here. It's sodium hydroxide. It's used for unclogging the pipes. I'm going to put it into a chemical reaction with aluminum foils and get hydrogen from there. The reason why I'm not making the electrolysis method is that I don't really know how to make it, and it will take so long, like putting all that mechanism inside, anodes, cathodes, like it's a mess, and I do not have that much patience nor the equipment to do that. But I do have the equipment to make hydrogen from this substance right here. So let's get started. So aluminum foil can get in reaction with water, but there's a little tiny aluminum oxide layer that prevents it from happening, and that's the reason why you don't get an explosion from the toast that you wrap in the morning before going to school. Back to the formula. So the thing we are doing here is we are removing that tiny layer of aluminum oxide and making the aluminum get in reaction with the water and produce the hydrogen that we want. Now we know what's happening in the chemical reaction, and the next step is to make it in real life. So I explained the equation. As you can see, it's not that hard, it's simple. But I need to make some calculations before I start the reaction. I need some space to do the reaction, and I need the weights of the components that I'm going to use on the balloon to calculate the space that I need to make the reaction. Yeah, I think that's right. Like the grams of aluminum, grams of sodium hydroxide, the water. So we made the calculations. It's 300 grams, heavier than I expected, but I can reduce it by some 50 or 100 grams if I change the battery, because it's a little chunky, you know, it's big and bulky. I don't know. I might buy a new one while I buy the rope. By the way, I didn't add the rope in because I don't have it right now. So I'm going to weigh in one more time when it arrives. But I think it's going to add about 200 to 300 grams more. Like, I don't really know how to estimate weights. So as you can see in the video, I put a bottle into a bigger bottle because I need a way to cool the chemical reaction, since it's an exothermic reaction. After that, I made a valve using a valve and the cap from the bottle to control the gas. Well, so I'm making aluminum foil into little balls so I can put it inside, and it can dissolve faster and produce hydrogen faster. as you can see in the video, I didn't use the valve because it made my job harder. But we have produced. As you can see in the video, I didn't use the valve because it made my job way harder. But we have produced the hydrogen, and I just let it out of the bottle itself. It did ignite, but it wasn't as powerful as I expected it. So I tried again. Check it. And it was even less powerful. So yeah, I don't know what's the problem, but I will solve it until the next video. So it's the end. Hope you enjoyed the video. You can subscribe to channel if you want to see the next one. So see you later.